The United States Marine Corps and advanced robotic targets. The United States Marine Corps has integrated advanced robotic mobile targets into its training programs to enhance shooting accuracy and tactical decision-making skills. These innovative targets, known as trackless mobile infantry targets, are semi-autonomous robots designed to simulate human movements, creating highly realistic combat scenarios. Capable of moving unpredictably across various terrains while mimicking human motion, these robots compel Marines to adapt to dynamic targets, significantly improving shooting precision and reaction times. These robotic targets perform a variety of actions such as attacking, retreating, or taking cover, which cultivates an immersive training environment. Some models even replicate voice commands in foreign languages, further enhancing realism. This integration marks a significant milestone in military training technology, equipping Marines with advanced tools to prepare for the complexities of modern warfare. Ukraine's Droid TW-12.7, a game-changer in combat robotics. Ukrainian engineers from Droid have developed a cutting-edge military robot named the Droid TW-12.7, tailored to meet their army's specific needs. This robot excels in providing fire support, reconnaissance, and patrol capabilities in combat scenarios. Armed with a Browning M2 heavy-caliber machine gun chambered in 12.7 millimeters, it boasts an ammunition capacity of 300 rounds, enabling it to engage effectively with enemy personnel, light armored vehicles, and fortified positions. The Droid TW-12.7 is remotely operated via secure digital communication channels, with operators controlling its actions using a tablet from a safe distance. Costing between $26,000 and $29,000 per unit, it is a cost-effective option compared to similar systems. Approved by Ukraine's Ministry of Defense, this robot has passed rigorous combat tests, proving its reliability and effectiveness. Ironclad, Ukraine's multifunctional unmanned ground vehicle. Another remarkable innovation from Ukraine is the Ironclad, a multifunctional unmanned ground vehicle developed by robbers. Designed for complex tactical operations, Ironclad is versatile, supporting reconnaissance, combat missions, logistical tasks, and medical evacuations. With a payload capacity of 350 kilograms, it can transport ammunition, equipment, or evacuate the wounded from battlefields. The robot's wheeled chassis ensures high maneuverability across challenging terrains, and its integrated weapon module delivers significant firepower, enabling it to effectively engage targets on the front lines. By incorporating advanced systems like Ironclad, military forces can enhance their operational depth and reduce risks to personnel. Minotaur, a robotic engineering marvel for mine clearance. The Minotaur, a creation of Ukrainian engineers from Kinetics, is designed to perform intricate engineering tasks in high-risk environments. Based on the Bobcat T10 tracked loader platform, this system features a remotely operated robotic applique kit equipped with optical, electronic, infrared, and daytime cameras, ensuring full visibility and control for the operator at distances of up to 800 meters. Primarily tasked with clearing mines and transporting engineering equipment, the Minotaur utilizes a roller mine flail to safely neutralize explosive devices. Powered by a 42-horsepower diesel engine, it achieves speeds of up to 13.5 kilometers per hour and operates continuously for up to 24 hours without frequent maintenance, making it an invaluable asset for extended missions. Estonia's Type X, redefining mechanized unit support engineers from the Estonian company Robotics, have developed the Type X, a robotic combat vehicle designed to support mechanized units. Acting as a wingman for main battle tanks, the Type X is equipped with versatile weapon modules, including autocannons ranging from 25 to 50 millimeters. Its firepower rivals traditional infantry fighting vehicles. Powered by a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, The Type X achieves top speeds of 80 kilometers per hour on roads and 50 kilometers per hour off-road. Weighing approximately 12 tons, it can navigate challenging conditions with a 50-centimeter ground clearance, 0 turning radius, and the ability to ford water depths up to 1.5 meters. The vehicle's operational versatility is further enhanced by its compatibility with the Quad Bucks tethered UAV system for reconnaissance and communication relays. RCVL, a lightweight tactical solution for the U.S. Army. The Robotic Combat Vehicle Light, RCVL, is a recent development by Kinetic and Pratt Miller Defense for the United States Army. This lightweight robotic system is designed for a wide range of tasks, including reconnaissance, fire support, and logistics. Powered by a hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, the RCVL achieves speeds of 64 kilometers per hour and supports payloads up to 2,700 kilograms. Its modular open systems architecture allows for seamless integration of various payloads, making it adaptable for specific missions such as combat scenarios, demining operations, or supply delivery. This innovation enhances operational flexibility and meets the evolving needs of modern military forces. Themis, a versatile robotic platform in action. Developed by Estonian engineers at Milrem Robotics, the Themis is a versatile tracked platform designed to support troops in combat and auxiliary roles. It has already been deployed in Ukraine, where its effectiveness has been widely acknowledged. With a payload capacity of 750 kilograms, the Themis provides essential support, including cargo transport, casualty evacuation, reconnaissance, and fire support. The platform's hybrid power system ensures up to 8 hours of operation in hybrid mode, or 30 minutes to 1.5 hours in fully electric mode. Its track design enables excellent mobility across diverse terrains, enhancing the safety and efficiency of military operations. Scorpion 2, a multifunctional innovation. The Scorpion 2, developed by Ukraine's T-Land, is a multifunctional unmanned tracked platform designed for military and civilian use. Equipped with an automated turret carrying a 12.7mm caliber machine gun or grenade launcher, the Scorpion 2 also features a drone launcher capable of 360-degree rotation for deploying unmanned aerial vehicles. Weighing 370 kilograms, the Scorpion 2 operates on a sophisticated control system comprising 2 NVIDIA Jetson onboard computers and 2 programmable controllers. It supports autonomous and remote operations over a range of up to 2 kilometers via Wi-Fi, with features like GPS navigation and automatic return in case of communication loss. These capabilities make it a highly adaptable solution for various operational needs. Robotic innovations are transforming modern military capabilities, enabling forces to operate more efficiently and safely in complex environments. Which of these groundbreaking systems impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Bio Info channel, and check out our previous content. See you next time.